Nagmumula sa pagpapahalaga sa isa't isa ang tunay na kadakilaan. Para sa mabuhay tayo na po at pagkapet pandasal. In a world that constantly ranks us based on popularity, wealth, or social status, it's easy to feel the pressure to climb some invisible ladder. But when his disciples asked who was the greatest, Jesus completely flipped the script. He didn't point to a powerful leader. Instead, he used a child as an example of what true greatness looks like, a humble heart that isn't concerned with social hierarchy. This is a powerful and freeing lesson, reminding us that every single person, no matter how small or overlooked they may seem, has immense value and dignity in God's eyes. It's about seeing people not as competitors but as fellow children of God. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Mahal na Panginoon, naway ipagkaloob mo sa amin na makita ang kapwa ayon sa mapagmahal mong mga mata. Amen.